National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Ford County in east central Illinois, northern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois until 10 o'clock p.m. At 8:39 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Dwight to Granta Park and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bradley, Kankakee, Momence, Watseka, Herscher, Gilman, Ashton, Clifton, Shabance, Aroma Park, St. Anne, Hopkins Park, Sheldon, Kempton, Cabery, Buckingham, Sun River Terrace, Irwin, Danforth and Crescent City. Interstate 57 between mile markers 282 and 319. Interstate 55 between mile markers 212 and 217. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.